Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by detangling and dampening the hair to about 10–20% moisture so it sits predictable. This reduces stretch. Once done, create clear sections. Clip the top up, split sides and back. You set a guide length, 1/2 to 1 inch, and work from that. Use clippers for crisp edges or scissors for softer lines. Cut in small 1/4 inch increments, keeping tools parallel to the head. This prevents accidental overcutting and lets you control the shape as you establish the first clean perimeter. You continue by shaping the sides using the established guide as your reference. Once the guide is set, work outward and blend using a clipper guard or thinning shears to remove bulk without harsh lines. Elevate small vertical sections to take weight off the long lengths. Point cut into the ends for softer transitions. Make short, deliberate motions and cross-check symmetry frequently. As you move up toward the crown, make sure the silhouette flows into the top section, and use mirrors to compare both sides at eye level to keep balance. You finish by defining the hairline and nape with a trimmer or small scissors, using short, controlled strokes to avoid removing too much. Once trimmed, dry and shake out the hair to reveal natural fall. Then texturize any heavy spots with point cuts or thinning shears so the edges sit smooth. If something looks uneven, don't lunge for a big correction. Make small adjustments and blend gradually. If an edge is too high, lower the surrounding weight in small increments until the outline reads balanced and natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.